Today we decode this market paradox of crisis and opportunity through three dimensions.
U.S. markets, tech bubble burst and policy dilemma. Key contradictions.
1. Inflation versus rate. Cut March CPI cooled to 2.4%, but PPI rebounded to 2.7%, intensifying stagflation risks. 2. Tariff domino effect. 145% tariffs on Chinese chips and EVs could raise Tesla Model Y prices by 30%, paralyzing global supply chains. 3. Tech stock. Double whammy, Nasdaq's price-to-sales ratio plummeted from 12x to 8x with $5.8 billion outflow from semiconductor ETFs. China markets, policy floor versus market bottom.
And the Shanghai Composite plummeted 7.34% but rebounded under the state's $28 billion rescue. This is not a simple rebound, but a declaration of China's economic resilience.
Critical signals. 1. Trillion dollar policy. Central Huijin's ETF purchases, increased insurance equity ratios, and semiconductor subsidies inject $170 billion liquidity. 2. Tech breakthroughs. Huawei Harmony OS Conference, April 18th. SMIC's 28nm chip mass production, 45% domestic substitution in AI computing.
3. Consumption. Paradox. March retail sales rose 4.7%, but high liquor inventory and weak appliance exports remain a concern.
Macro trends, global power reconfiguration.
1. Energy revolution pains OPEC+, unexpectedly increased production by 410,000 BPD, Brent crude fell below $70, EV makers accelerate solid-state battery R&D.
2. Currency system. Fission Digital Yuan covers ASEAN, RMB share in Russian trade hits 38%, challenging dollar hegemony.
3. Geopolitical powder. KEG Middle East. Missile defense deployments. Deadlocked Russia-Ukraine talks. Global military spending exceeds $2.5 trillion.
Next week's strategy, dancing on the edge.
3 certain opportunities emerge.
China's hard tech. Domestic semiconductors, AI servers, exempt from U.S. tariffs. U.S. defensive sectors, gold, utilities, hedging stagflation. Global themes, rare earths, lithium, supply chain restructuring. Risk warning. Remember, when market sentiment cycles hit the 16-day critical point and VIX panic index breaks 40, any bottom fishing could be a trap. Key events next week. ECB rate cut, April 17th. China's Q1 GDP, 5.3% YOY. U.S. bank earnings, watch for bad loan ratios. History doesn't repeat, but human greed and fear do. In this era of black swans, only deep cognition can navigate cycles. Follow me for hard data insights.